Let's talk about how to filter your worksheet. In BluHorn, you can quickly filter any worksheet by Daypart, vendor, station, or spots. To do this, use the eyeball filter icon on the worksheet line settings bar to filter the lines in your worksheet. It's an easy-to-use tool that's super helpful. For example, to filter a worksheet so that only the lines you've purchased show, in the pop-up, check the box for spots and then click Search. Immediately, you'll see that only the lines you've purchased are now visible. You can filter your worksheet by vendor, Daypart, or station the same way. Simply go back to the eyeball filter icon and select vendor, for example, to filter by a specific vendor and click Search. Now, only the lines with that vendor are showing. That's it. Now at this point, any reports you run will only include these visible lines. Feel free to mix and match with vendors, Dayparts, station, and spots to get the information that you are looking for. At any time, you can go back to the eyeball filter icon and click Clear All Filters, and all of the lines will be visible again. If you need some additional help, click the life raft in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to create a support ticket. A trusted member of our customer support team will reach out to help. Want to see more video tutorials just like this one? Head over to BluHorn.com/videos for an online knowledge base of video tutorials where you can learn all about BluHorn on demand.